Whether you're currently wearing a topper or you're looking for a new one, in this video, we are going to show you the importance of identifying the stage of hair loss and the area of coverage needed to find the correct topper every single time. The first step in finding the correct topper is identifying your stage of hair loss. Is your hair loss in the beginning, mid-progressive, or advanced stage? Next, determine the area of hair loss that needs coverage. Where is your hair loss more prominent? Now we're ready to measure. It's important to start and stop your measurements in an area with a sufficient amount of hair. What's most important is that the area you're clipping to can support the weight of the hair and the base of the topper to avoid causing hair loss to your biological hair. Once you have established the area that needs coverage, measure from front to back, then side to side. Write down the measurements. Make sure you keep your measurements to track your hair loss in the future. Since hair loss can be progressive, it is important that you record your measurements and check the areas you're clipping to. Ensure you are wearing the correct base size to not cause any damage or loss to your biological hair. Once you have your stage, area, and measurements, use the Jon Renau topper chart to determine which topper base size will give you the best coverage. Your area of hair loss may change or shift, so it's important to retake your measurements every 6 months and record those measurements every time. Choosing a topper may seem easy, but considering your stage of hair loss, area of coverage needed, and the condition of your biological hair is important when choosing a base size. Measuring correctly will prevent the topper from shifting, pulling, or creating more hair loss. For everything else you need to know about toppers, visit us at jonrenau.com/JonRenauGetsReal or check out the rest of our playlist, Hair Toppers 101.